Today we're going to be replacing a starter on the 2004 Buick Rendezvous. I've already went ahead and got it jacked up. The job is pretty simple and pretty easy. The starter is very accessible. If you look down right in there, you'll find the starter. A little shady area. Try to get underneath and give you a better view. Yep, and that's going to be it right there. Now, to get started, we got 3 bolts we got to take out. We have one here, and the third is right up here in the front. That's just a dust cover. Once we get that off, you got one bolt here and another there, and the starter ought to come right off. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery cable before you do any starter work. Alright, that's what she looks like with the starter out. Then go ahead and get that back up in here. Start her up.
And it won't start. And when I open the door, which I think is trying to activate the dome light, I get this. And this fuse panel has got a clicking sound. I also had a clicking sound coming from the fuse block under the hood. Now I hooked the jumper up to it and it started, but won't start without the jumper on. Any thoughts?